Hello everyone, and welcome back to Future Phone Flash, your ultimate source for the latest tech news and rumors. Today, we're delving into some thrilling leaks about the upcoming iPhone 16 series. If you're a fan of Apple, this is a must-watch. Exploring iPhone 16 rumors. Let's kick off with the buzz surrounding Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 series. While Apple hasn't officially confirmed anything, the rumor mill is buzzing with intriguing details. The most exciting one: a potential major design overhaul after 4 years. Enhanced displays. According to leaked images, the iPhone 16 Pro Max may feature a larger 6.9-inch display, up from the current 6.7 inches on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Similarly, the iPhone 16 Pro could sport a 6.3-inch screen, compared to the current 6.1 inches. These larger displays promise an even more immersive user experience. Details on iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. For those who prefer standard sizes, the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are expected to retain their 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch screens, respectively. It's reassuring to see Apple catering to different user preferences while maintaining consistency. Release date predictions. As usual, Apple has not yet announced an official release date. However, insiders suggest that we might see the new iPhone 16 series in the first or second week of September, following Apple's traditional launch schedule. Price speculations. When it comes to pricing, Apple has kept things tightly under wraps. We'll have to wait for the official announcement to find out how much these new models will cost. Stay tuned for updates. Best outro. That concludes today's update on the iPhone 16 series and Apple Watch Series 10. What are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from Future Phone Flash. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.